Hey guys, welcome back. And we got a new thing for you. We got some mods going on our RV this weekend. So it's mod weekend, as Cindy calls it. So here she is. She's redoing our kitchen chairs. There's her taking them off. Yes, we are using our trash cans as a tabletop. we make sure we use everything. So that's what they look like before they start. And we'll show you what they look like after. So stay tuned.
I'm not a professional. I'm stating that now. I've never done this before. There's no telling what's going to happen.
Yeah, this is true. We're not professional upholsterers. So stay tuned and see.
It's not rocket science. I'm an educated woman. Surely I can figure this out.
Alright, stay tuned. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to the channel, because I've been noticing that a lot of our views are like 80% of people that aren't already joined our channel. So if you're new to our channel and this is the first time you're viewing it, go by and look at some other videos. See if this is something you're interested in. And come join our family. Be a Bearfoot Buddy. Alright? Okay guys. We will be right back with, I don't know what, but we'll be back with something to show you. Alright, so we'll be right back. So this is what they look like. Cindy took one apart. You have to unscrew. There's our dog. There's our other dog. And this is Cindy working hard. So what do you think? Is it worth it?
Well, flip that one over and tell me what you think.
So, you guys decide. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after, before. I like it. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So say some words to the people. What's your opinion?
So I found out that you have to roll your material over so it doesn't shred around the staples. You also have to make sure that your loose staples are not in your material and then get tacked into the
Well, that makes sense.
yeah, well, I know this because I did this.
Oh. All right.
So, it's not hard. It's just time consuming.
So, in your opinion, is it worth a mod to do?
Yes, if you don't like the chair cushions and you want to make your camper
and the reason, guys,
your
why
own.
we didn't take this part off, and because that way if somebody wants to go back to the original,
I
they
still
can just
have
take
a
it
few
off.
left. Okay, I don't know. So yes, it's worth it. It's not that hard, even.
So you can always make your home your home.
Yes, you can modify your rig so that it's your style, even because they make these in such
Oh yeah, definitely.
awful styles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, guys, for coming by. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. It ain't gonna kill you, I promise. All right, and I look forward to seeing you around the campfire.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
See you around
guys.
the campfire.